D-Lab Manufacturing redefined Asia manufacturing economy. We help you design your product according to your requirements. We provide R&D, patent certifications, and qualification licenses. We provide management reports and product certifications. We provide updates on production facility workflow charts. We provide full production inspection reports and 100% post-production quality checks and reports. All our stocks are kept in clean and safe environment. All products are packaged safely. We provide top-class warehousing and distribution services, whether it's by air, sea, or land. We ensure prompt delivery.